On February 2nd, 2025, a missile that was supposed to hit Ukraine veered off course and struck Russia's Lipetsk region, over 350 miles from the front lines. The explosion was catastrophic, creating massive craters and igniting fires that could be seen for miles. Residents described a fiery mushroom cloud rising into the sky, followed by a shockwave that rattled windows and sent people into a panic. The immediate aftermath was devastating. Around 540 homes lost power, plunging the area into darkness during the harsh winter months. Initial estimates suggest the damage could range from £1 million to £3.5 million. While there have been no confirmed casualties, the loss of electricity has left families without heating or essential services, adding to their distress in this already difficult time. But the real mystery lies in how this missile ended up in Lipetsk. Experts are puzzled. Was it a malfunction in the guidance system, or perhaps an error in trajectory calculations? In an age of advanced missile technology, such an incident is highly unusual. Military analysts are now poring over data to uncover the truth behind this alarming event. As the war between Russia and Ukraine rages on, incidents like this are becoming more common. This missile strike is just the latest reminder of the conflict's reach, affecting civilians on both sides. Thousands have already lost their lives and countless homes have been destroyed. For ordinary people in Lipetsk, the war has suddenly become a terrifying reality, with one civilian stating, "We thought it was far away from here, but now it's in our own backyard." The implications of this conflict extend far beyond the borders of Ukraine and Russia. Global leaders are closely monitoring the situation, especially as tensions between NATO and Russia escalate. This missile strike could have significant political and military repercussions in the weeks to come. While many leaders have condemned the violence, finding a diplomatic solution remains a daunting challenge. As the situation evolves, the international community faces a pressing need to collaborate and seek a resolution to prevent further loss of life and destruction. The mystery of this missile strike may eventually be unraveled, but the broader questions surrounding the war and its global consequences continue to loom large. The world watches, hoping for peace amid the chaos.